Cut yourself free from the past with Stylicut from Upgrade. The only top-of-the-line tool that can replace scissors and creatively reinvent hair cutting methods. Finally, the maximum cutting definition of scissors and the manual skill of the razor have been united. Now, you truly are free to create all the on-trend styles and effects you could want. Versatile. Use it on dry or wet hair, cutting with the point or flat, vertically or horizontally. Creating level, ascending and descending cuts is easier and faster than ever before. Stylicut is lighter, more compact and easier to handle than a traditional hair clipper or razor. With the blade in the lateral position, the wrists move smoothly and the hands work stress-free, day after day.
Now you have time, just try to feel fine, Girl, dance with me, you free like you will never be.
Stylicut recharges in 90 minutes and gives you 2 hours of work time in regards to battery life. Its 125 grams and ergonomic design simplify its use. If you are looking for a professional tool, Stylicut is the perfect partner for you. Stylicut also respects hair health. The carbon blade creates a precise cut, split ends are not generated. The hair shafts appear smoother than ever before. Choose the performance and technology of Upgrade. Make your customers fall in love with their new hair.